everyone, Derek Johnson with Tatango.com. We are here at GSMA Innovation City at the Mobile World Congress 2019. I'm here with Nicolas from Orange. He's going to be walking through an RCS demo for one of their clients. So, Nicolas, let's walk through and explain to our viewers what's going on with this RCS chat.
Sure. Apps have been very useful to consumers and traders alike, and I'm pleased here to show you now the third revolution of commerce, which is conversational commerce. Orange has been working with a partner, Cinemagia, and you can start a bot, and with this bot you can purchase a cinema ticket in less than 10 clicks.
Wow.
So here, as usual, you can select the movies that are playing around. Cinemagia can send you some advertising as they do for SMS. The main difference here is you will receive carousels that shows all the cinemas, all the movies. You can select one.
This almost feels like mobile app-like, but this is within your messaging channel.
Exactly. We've discovered with Orange that our consumers are happy to have apps, but they don't like apps upgrades all the time. Yeah. And sometimes they complain about the memory that is on their phone. With this, there is no memory using the phone, and you always have the latest app or the latest bot. And thanks to the chatbot that Orange has built with Cinemagia, you can choose the movie you want. It's quite fast, so basically it's in a couple of clicks. I choose movies, I choose cinemas. Today we have all the cinemas based in Romania in this chatbot already integrated.
And how has the brand reacted to this compared to, I guess, they were using a mobile app before? Are they excited? Or what are they waiting for also? Is it just adoption rate?
So at this stage, this is a proof of concept. Okay. It's not live yet. We did some surveys with our customer in Spain, and they are really excited. Cool. Because they can book. They can pay with what we call Orange carrier billing. So first I select the time. I can pay with Orange carrier billing or Visa card, but here it's convenient for a cinema ticket to pay directly with an Orange. So here it's in Romania.
And Orange is a wireless carrier for those people not in the United States or in the United States. So you're actually buying the movie ticket and putting it on your mobile phone bill.
Yeah, what we are doing is Orange is not only a carrier, we are also partnering with the ecosystem. And we want to develop this ecosystem so to provide the unmatched experience that the customer expects. And we have followed the web wave, the app wave, and now we are really interesting. You can even change seats here. So everything you do in the app, we can show that you can do it on the chatbot.
So unlike a lot of these other demos where at a certain point they kick them to the mobile web or to an app to complete an experience, you're saying this is all done within messaging, all the way down to paying and confirming that you have the tickets.
Exactly. From the first message that you get that tells you that there is a new concert, a new cinema, a new movie, till the QR code that arrives on your phone, wow. Everything is in the same app, in the same thread. Smart. And everything is in the message application. So all people have the message application already embedded in the new phone that they purchased with Orange.
And let's say sometimes I download a ticket, but then I can't figure out where it is on my phone. I can just go into my text messages or messaging app and go and review the last message and just find it really quickly, right?
Yeah, you have all the bots you used in the past days directly in the messaging apps.
So super simple.
So here the app says thank you for the payment, and I have the QR code, so I can directly enter the theater.
And that's like the QR code is the ticket that you enter the theater with, yeah. And it's right within your messaging. This isn't download anywhere.
You have access in most of the cinemas in Romania. You just scan the QR code and you go into the theater.
And I see also you're using some things with kind of the Google Android system where directions and set reminder. How important are those things?
Yeah, well, for this use case, I think you will probably not forget that you have the cinema. But for many other use cases where if I have an appointment or using this reminder is quite important because you want to close the action. So you want to bring the unmatched experience to your consumer till the end, till he's in the cinema directly.
Now, from your perspective, building all of these RCS experiences for your customers, which are the brands, what have you learned? Is there anything that you can tell our audience about advice on how to build their own chatbots?
Well, we learned a lot over the past years. I think what's key is what we show here is by adding the RCS power with carousels, with pictures, adding how easy it is to pay by Orange, adding also the ecosystem that we operators have today on SMS, willing to move to RCS. This is the key. So we as Orange are just one piece of an ecosystem that will go to this e-commerce experience.
That's great. Well, this is a really cool experience. Again, this is Nicolas from Orange. He's demoing the RCS experience, which I think is really unique because it goes from start all the way through paying and then confirming and getting the ticket, and you just swipe it all within one message. This cannot be done with SMS or MMS, so this is a really interesting experience. Again, my name is Derek Johnson with Tatango.com. I'm here at Mobile World Congress 2019 in Barcelona, and I'm at the Innovation City hosted by GSMA.